us to heal. And for us to understand what healing feels like. Yes? Tama! You know, this song is full of questions and the inner monologue of someone who knows God is in control. Despite of whatever we're going through, God is in control. But sometimes, you know, an explanation would be nice. Mahirap magtiwala pag ang dami mong tanong. Pero you know, sa kabila ng mga tanong sa utak mo, may darating na isang tao sa buhay mo. At siya mabago sa mundo mo. Hindi mo alam, pati apelido mo, biglang mabago. Been instrumental in my career. Kaya maraming salamat po to our ABS-CBN bosses for always making me believe in me. Sir Mark Lopez, Sir Carlo Katigbak, thank you so much for being here. Tita Cory Medanas, thank you po. Direk Lauren Joggy, Sir Jamie Lopez, Sir Chris Gasman, Sir August Benitez, to my Star Magic family, Ate Edith, Tarinyas, Ate Yani, alam nyo yan, maraming salamat po to my Rise Artist Studio family, Sir Miko, Del Rosario, Miss JD, Mama Jerson, Ate Pat, Ate Da, Ate Kea, and special thanks to my ASAP natin to, Sir Louie, Ma'am Jazz, Miss Winnie, and Miss Apple, Star Cinema, Direct P, Star Creatives, Changdes, I Want TFC, and ABS-CBN Global. Can't Buy Me Love family, they're here tonight. Direct May was here earlier. Achie, I missed you. And sa inyong lahat na nandito, of course, Kyla Estrada, Jello Marquez, Anthony Jennings, Mom Gonzalez. Who else is here? Did I miss anyone? Anyway, to my glam team, Mama Jake, Mama RJ, Mama Jerry, Mama Gian, Miss A, Miss V, Seth, Rax, and Jericho, they're all backstage now. Maraming salamat sa inyo. To my Star Pop and ABS-CBN Events family, Sir Roxy Likigan, Sir Jonathan Manalo, Sir Rox Santos, Mama Dars Chang, Ate Mau, Thomas and Gaya, thank you so much. To Playback Productions, Mother Jessa, Mother, thank you. Kuya Makoy, Ate Salve, thank you to my dancers tonight sa A-Team, grabe kayo. Our concert director, of course, palakpakan tayo dyan kay Direk John Laigo. Our TV and live stream director, Direk Itchy Flores, birthday niya ngayon. Batiin natin siya ng happy birthday, Direk! Our musical director, of course, Maestro Ian, maraming salamat po. At sa lahat ng prod, staff and crew ng Believe, from the bottom of my heart, maraming salamat po. And to all the brands and sponsors na patuloy ang pagtitiwala sa akin, thank you so much po. Pond's Bright Glowing Skin in 2 easy steps. It's easy with Pond's. Close Up for All Day Amazing Fresh Breath Close Up is antibacterial zinc. And Sunsilk, dandruff and itchy dry hair. Switch and try the new Sunsilk Anti-Dandruff Shampoo, a 2-in-1 solution with a tea tree oil and aloe vera that removes dandruff na balik healthy and smooth hair pa. Thank you to my Sunsilk and Pond's family who are here tonight. Maraming salamat po. Special thanks to PLDT Home, our official internet provider for our live stream via I Want TFC. Of course, my parents, Daniela, Santino, Inigo, Natalia, my titos and titas, lolos, maraming salamat po. Thank you so much for believing in me. And especially, Father God Almighty, I don't want to get emotional. Father God Almighty, thank you. And sa inyong lahat ngayon na nandito, sa Theater ng Solar, thank you. Oy, naiyak ako, hindi pa tayo tapos. Bawal pa! Oy, hindi. Mamaya. And syempre sa mga nakatutok sa atin sa I Want TFC, thank you so much for being part of my concert. From the bottom of my heart, I can't thank you guys enough for believing in me since day one. You made this young dreamer's dream come true.
I'm at that stage and point in my life since I'm 22 that I'm learning so much more from myself. You know, how do I navigate things in life? Where do I see myself? Let's say in 5 years, 10 years. So for me now, the simple act of discovering something from myself, or like, hey, I can do this, or hey, I can do that. Hindi ko pala kaya to, ganon. For me, that's love now. Self-discovery. I personally share my love to my family, my friends, everyone that loves me, the people that support me, whether that may be my acting or my music career. Any form or any way I can, I share my love to them. if I were to describe my family's love in one word, it would be safe. Their love made me feel safe and comfortable. It's important that they're around me because they remind me of who I truly am and what's lovable about me. And it's important we surround ourselves with the right environment and the proper people that reminds us of who we are. At one point naman, di ba, in general, like all of us at one point would feel na parang question na, does someone love me? Or kamahal-mahal ba ako? Wow! Kamahal-mahal ba ako? And then, pero, it's all rooted to you nga. Kasi, like, as often as I say it, or as cliche as it is, it's true when they say, no one will love you if you don't love yourself. And I'm a firm believer of that saying, na you have to learn how to love yourself first. And once you learn how to love yourself first, that love you have will be so full that you'll be able to exude it and to radiate it to other people and the people around you. Yeah, it's masaya magmahal. Everything should be rooted. Masarap maka-receive ng pagmamahal, pero masarap din mag-share ng pagmamahal.
Well, kung tatanungin niyo ako, kung truth or dare, I can choose both. Kayo ba? Truth or dare? Good! Kayo? Ba't lahat nagto-choose? Ba't lahat nagto-choose? O, dare. Okay. Sige, dare muna tayo. Sa mga may platinum tickets dyan, ang Believe concert, don't dare. Yun talaga ang mga bagay kong biglaan, di ba? Hindi ko na plano kung saan nangyari. Yan pa yung mga natutuloy, diba? And that's what my next song is all about.
Sure, ang dami. But for me, I discovered my dream when I entered the industry. Nasabi ko, wow, this is something I want to do and this is something I love doing. I've always been that kid who loves entertaining people, and I think this is the best way, platform for me to be able to inspire and share the joy with people too. One of prayers na natupad is after Sigurado, the first song, sabi ko, ang tanging dahilan, sabi ko, sana magka-album ako. And then nagka-album nga ako. And then parang sabi ko, oh my gosh. And then, yun, from there on, I also pray that I'm able to write music. And I swear, ulit-ulit ko sinasabi, pero never ko talagang in-imagine yung sarili ko makakapagsulat ako ng kanta. Pero, wow, nagawa ko. Siyempre, hindi naman lahat ng prayers ko natutupad. Siyempre, personally, madami pa akong dreams na gusto ma-achieve. Ang dami ko pang gustong maabot and ang dami ko pa talagang gustong gawin. Day by day, I tell myself na maybe it's not for me now, but hopefully maybe in the future it is. You know, and I think what's really meant for you will find you naman. Everything will fall accordingly, according to God's plan. Dreaming doesn't come with age. Whether you're 5, like me before, I was just dreaming or singing in the karaoke, or 22 like me now, or let's say 50 years from now, 50-year-old Belle, I'd still be dreaming. So dreaming doesn't come with an age. If you put your heart and mind in it, you're capable of so many things. And it will never be too late for you to dream. It will never be too early for you to dream. Not everything you want, you'll get. But don't forget that you'll get something better than you want. Because I think that's the truth when it comes to dreaming in life, na parang what's meant for you naman talaga what you want sometimes isn't what's meant for you. And then along the way, you'll discover that what came to you is actually greater than what you wanted.
Sabayan niyo ako ha.